Right, it's actually raining outside at the moment. I didn't go out last night. I had to go out 3 days on the trot. My legs were screaming in pain. So, I'm going out today, not overnight, in theory, just out the woods, have some food for a few hours, and then come back. In theory. So, what I'm taking in my baby Bergen is, it's basically a half-size Bergen, day pack kind of thing. Cat training toy, in case any doggies try to attack me. Bit of crap to burn to get the fire going. Power cord is always handy, just in case. Instead of taking a knife, because I can't find it, I'm taking my axe. I'm going to take 1.5 liters of water, because I want a hot drink. Fire lighter. I'm actually taking my stove, my wood burner, which I've not used in a couple of months. It's fiddly to put together because my eyesight is crap and I can't be asked carrying glasses. A spoon, kettle, and my new cup, which is brilliant to the point whereby I'm actually looking about getting a dog bowl. I mean a 1 litre bowl for food. Same kind of thing. This is part of a kit I bought with the kettle and a saucepan and a lid. Never used it because I only ever used a bottle of that. So I'm taking that one so I can do my gammon. I'm going to cut up the gammon before I go into bite-sized pieces. That way I won't have to bother carrying a fork or a knife. And some baked beans to go on top. I'm going to get a bit of oil or something just to give a layer inside here. That way I don't have to carry a bottle. I don't want to have to carry lots of stuff. This is the heaviest thing I'm carrying. That is my hammock chair. I've only used it once in the house, so I'm taking that with me. See if I can actually find some tree branch to put it on. That is also the reason why I've got the power cord, in case it doesn't fit. So that is my little prep for today. Oh yeah, and of course, knee strap, wrist straps, phone thingy, clamp, and a bit of bamboo. Bamboo! That I'm going to be using, hopefully to make it into a blowpipe. Although what I need to do is to get like a knife or something so I can take the ends off. Might do that before I go actually, rather than carrying more stuff. So literally all I've done is just taken the ends off. If you cut around before you cut all the way through, you don't get jagged bits to stab you in the lips. So here you go, blowpipe.